Okay, now the plan is to find a budget place to stay for a solo traveler like me. I've been told that in this lane I can get few decent budget hotels, and someone told me about Amrapali Inn as well. So let me first start with this. If I get a decent rate here, I'll stay here. Else I'll look around as well. So let's go. Where rooms कहाँ पर है? Amrapali hotel rooms. हाँ. अन्नपूर्णा. Amrapali में नहीं है?
नहीं, अमरापली में वही के सेट का है.
Okay. Amrapali is the restaurant. The rooms are in Annapurna. So I'll just go there and check it out. Annapurna. Okay guys, a big thumbs down to this first place. Firstly, the staff was rude when I told the manager, whoever was there on the gate. When I told him I'm making a YouTube video, he said it's not allowed. I even told him, don't worry. If it's benefiting me, it's giving you a free promotion as well. But he said rudely not allowed. I said fine, it might be a rule. The worst part was when I asked him that how much are the rates I want to stay. He said that we don't give it to single people. Now that's pretty weird. I've heard stories about not giving to let's say unmarried couples sometimes, but I've heard first time somebody not giving to single people. When I said why, is any problem? So the manager said in a very not sarcastic but a rude tone, हम लोग नहीं देते. बोला ना, आप आगे गली में देखिए, बहुत होटल्स है, वो देंगे. So thumbs down to this Annapurna hotel. Bad behavior. I'll go and check out other places. Alright, so let me just go and check around some other hotels. So I entered this lane right from here, and it looks like we've got some rooms here. In fact, there also I can see a lot of rooms. So let me try one by one. So guys, I came to this very nice place, the living space, and I met such a nice person. बहुत अच्छे आदमी है. देखिए पहले वाला जगह में कैसे rude बात किया, बट यहाँ पे बहुत friendly बात की है. He spoke very friendly, and I saw a room. It's little costly compared to like what I'm looking for. It's in a very good budget, in fact, but I'm looking for something around 700, 800. That room is for 1500. He gave 100 rupees discount, made it 1400. So I have a deal with him that I'll just go and check out a couple of other more places. If I don't find something in that low range, then I'll come back and take this. So, thank you, very nice person. I'll show you the place. So guys, just beside this, I found this Sri Krishna lodging, and even this person is also very nice. And I just saw the rooms, and I found them very good for budget people who are coming in single. In Hindi, if I tell you, कम रेट में जो आ रहे हैं, जिनको सोलो ट्रैवलर है, अकेले आ रहे हैं या फ्रेंड के साथ है, तो नॉन एसी में कम रेट में बहुत कम में रूम्स इन्होंने दिखा दिए हैं. भाई आप एक बार दिखा देंगे दोबारा से हमारे यूट्यूब फैमिली वालों के लिए, फिर मैं उनमें से ले लूँगा. हाँ वो भी दिखा देते, वीआईपी रूम भी दिखा देंगे. पहले कम वाले से स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. सो ये 600 वाले से स्टार्ट करते हैं, सब दिखा देते हैं. सो गाइज एक्चुअली मेरा इंग्लिश में चैनल है, तो हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में. सो गाइज इंग्लिश में वीडियो इनफैक्ट. सो गाइज दिस इज द cheapest room for 600, and I'm planning the trip in budget, so I might take any of these 3 rooms. This next one is for 700. 600 700 वाले में डिफरेंस क्या है? थोड़ा सा साइज का फर्क है. ओके, बट इट्स वेरी क्लीन, इट्स वेरी नाइस. एंड दिस इज फॉर 800. सो दिस ऑल्सो क्वाइट गुड. And he said that sometimes if 2-3 people come, he gives for 1000 also. So that so basically, if you're not coming alone, if you're coming with friends, so then also getting good rate. So I will take any of these 3 rooms. I'll tell you that in a bit. First he's showing a VIP room also for 1200. So we'll see that also. आपका भी बिहेवियर अच्छा लगा भाई. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है सर्विस के लिए।
छोटू सर को बड़ा रूम दिखाओ ऊपर का, एक दो दिखाओ, जो दिखा दिए ना, एक नंबर का रूम दिखा दो, सर कोई दे देता हूँ। लो 2 नंबर दिखा दो, एक चलेगा मतलब एक दिखा दोगे तो
हाँ एक ही दिखा दी।
लो एक सर को 1 2 नंबर रूम दिखा दो।
So we'll check out one more room. He's calling it a VIP room. I'm a normal person, I'm not a VIP, but still I'll see. If you're a VIP, you can come and take this room. Pun intended. Oh wow, this is really nice. This is just for 1200 guys. Very budget friendly. Very nice, very nice. I like it. So guys, if you come, you can check out this room for 1200 only. Let's go back. Guys, finally I've taken that 600 rupee room because I'm alone. Room dikha dijiye. And I wanted to cover this trip in budget as much as possible, so that people who are watching, they actually know that how to come in less cost. So now I met a nice new gentleman, made a new friend. आपका नाम क्या हो गया? प्रवेश वर्मा जी हैं। तो ये इनका ट्रैवल एजेंट है। ही हैज़ अ ट्रैवल एजेंट एंड एजेंसी एंड he gives vehicle and everything for travel. So प्रवेश जी क्या क्या आपका सर्विस है बता दीजिए अपना।
सर्विस है सर ऑल ओवर महाराष्ट्र।
व्हीकल सर्विसेज, कार्स वगैरह सब कुछ मिल जाएगा। एंड आप मुंबई से आपका है और इधर आप लोनावाला को आना चाहिए मुंबई से या कहीं से तो आप पूरा अरेंज कर सकते हैं
टोटल।
तो आप थोड़ा धीरे से आराम से अपना नंबर बोल दीजिए ताकि ये सुन पाए।
730409537
दोबारा बोल दीजिए पीछे व्हीकल का आवाज़।
730409537
ओके। सो गाइस ये नंबर आप नोट कर लीजिए। अगर आप कहीं बाहर से आ रहे हैं और आपको घूमना है लोनावाला वगैरह ये सब, मैं तो बाइक में आया हूँ, लेकिन अगर आपको फैमिली के साथ आ रहे हैं, इफ़ यू आर कमिंग विद फैमिली and to Lonavala, so yeah, pick up and drop, everything is there. He'll arrange it for you guys. So thank you. We'll have a drink together. So guys, I've done check-in procedures and I checked in my room, kept my stuff, and pretty nice deal for only 600 rupees. What do you say, guys? So now time to go out and explore Lonavala market and pick up some stuff for tonight. Maybe some chips, some food, maybe a couple of cans of beer. Let's see, and just see the market. Maybe buy some tikki as well. Let's head out and take a round of Lonavala area. And this I'll do on foot, not on bike, so you can actually see in the vlog while I show you around the Lonavala market. So see you outside. So guys, I'm heading out. And my hotel is there, lodge, hotel, whatever you want to say. And yeah, there's a nice barber shop. I might come here for a nice head massage later. And there are chikki shops all around. This is the main road, and you can see a lot of traffic is there. So that means lot of people are coming around here. Lonavala famous vada pav. Lonavala famous vada pav. कैसे करके वड़ा पाव भाई, कैसे करके? 18 दे दीजिए. So we'll have a vada pav now. After having vada pav, we'll proceed further. Okay guys, so time to have this vada pav. This is Lonavala's famous vada pav. So I'm done with my vada pav, and it was quite tasty, fresh, and a bit spicy. So roaming around Lonavala. So there are a lot of hotels and spas there, so all facilities are available here. So you don't need to worry about food, hotels, banquets. It's a proper town, in fact. Obviously, I knew it was a famous hill station and you'll get a lot of facility, but I didn't know that it's almost a proper town. What almost? It's actually a proper town. So you get everything around here. Wow, that looks a nice place. आप क्या चीज़ में से? ढोल? कहाँ पर है? अच्छा, ढोल में से हैं? अरे चलिए,
बोलिए।
अपने लाइन पे लोग मिल रहे हैं। एक्चुअली मैं डीजे हूँ।
डीजे यार।
तो हम लोग म्यूजिक।
यार।
सभी
के साथ में
सुनील, वी फाउंड। क्या ढोल कंपनी का नाम है?
अपना नाम है आरएस सुनील आरएस
RS
सुनील आरएस ग्रुप।
नाइस, सुनील RS ग्रुप याद रखिएगा, गूगल में मार लीजिए। So this is a main crossing, and you can see a lot of chicky shops. Sunrise Chicky, Mangalal Chicky. I think I'll take some chicky here. आपने जो बताया था मिल गया था मेरे को रूम वहाँ पे। मैं आया था ना उस टाइम, रूम नहीं पूछा था। हाँ मिल गया। नहीं, वो आप पहले जो बताए उसमें अन्नपूर्णा जो था उसका, बट अन्नपूर्णा में उस सिंगल को नहीं बोल रहे थे, सिंगल के लिए नहीं है, फिर आगे जाके लिया। हाँ तब जाके मिला। तो ये मेरा यूट्यूब का वीडियो बन रहा है। सो प्रॉब्ली आई टेक सम नाइस चिक्की हेयर। क्या क्या वैराइटीज है दिखा दी। सो दैट
वैरायटी है, सैंपल है, किलो का रेट है।
इनके सैंपल है।
ये सैंपल है, किलो से रेट है। मिक्स पायरो।
इसका कितना रेट है?
ये 400 रुपीज़ किलो है।
और ये इसका इसका अच्छा, ये इतना बिक्री के लिए है?
ये 250 ग्राम।
ओके,
100 रुपीज़ का है, 250 ग्राम।
सो गाइस यू कैन सी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ चिक्कीज। आप सबसे फेमस वाले कौन से होते हैं?
ये मिक्स
इतना कि मेरे यूट्यूब पर बात जान ले।
बेस्ट है, पॉपुलर मिक्स है, इसमें 5 वैरायटी मिक्स है।
ओके, वी हैव 5 वैरायटी मिक्स इन दिस।
360 का आधा किलो 360।
ओके ओके, मैं लूँगा, पहले देख
चलेगा। एक केसर बादाम पिस्ता है, काजू है, सिंगनाना क्रश कोबरा, ये 5 पॉपुलर मिक्स है।
इसमें क्या क्या है?
हाँ?
केसर बादाम, काजू, ग्रेट
कौन दे?
नहीं बता रहे।
हाँ
एंड so guys, you can come here and check out the chickies, whichever one you like you can take. So I'm gonna check out something and buy one for myself. I'll see you in a bit once I do my own shopping. Alright guys, I'm done with my shopping, taken a few chickies. It's time to head out and explore some other areas of Lonavala market. क्या अच्छा है दुकान? हेलो,
हेलो।
एक चाय दें। Yeah, I'll have one tea now. It's time for tea. So guys, we're having a cup of tea and the name is really nice. Tea and Talk. Tea and Talk. So I'll talk with a new friend. What is your name? Okay, nice meeting you. And yeah, Lonavala specialty masala tea getting. I'm having a Lonavala specialty Lonavala specialty, right? दे दीजिए.
Hello, myself, Mr. Malik. This is my cousin and my colleague. There is a new shop, tea shop, and lot of people coming from here, tea shop, and everyone is enjoying this tea, very tasty tea. And I hope everyone will come and try to that tea shop, and you should be maybe so much happy when you drink. And one more thing. There have location also so beautiful, and we have a lot of things there, like pizza order and ice cream also available here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, bhai. So you see, this sweet gentleman gives such a nice intro, and you see so much type of teas there. And this is beside Baskin Robbins. Like when you come from the main road, then you come here. It's beside Baskin Robbins.
You have to. Hi friends. Hi everyone. Very happy. Merry Christmas, all of you.
Thank you so much for giving a nice intro, and it's time for me to enjoy the tea.
And try. When you drink tea and
You have tea.
very good.
Ah, very nice. So I just love it. Lonavala specialty.
हमारे सब behind.
Alright, so after having good conversation with them and tea, and now it's time for me to go ahead. A lot of places to eat and chill. And I've been told that, okay, this is called the Naka market and this is Lonavala, but the main Lonavala market is over there. This looks some interesting place. So let me just go there. And from what I can read from here, it's written Sunil Wax Museum. So let me go there and check it out, and the Lonavala market as well. Check this out, check it out. What do we have here? Guess what? You won't believe this. We have McDonald's over here. And this is that main wax museum I was talking about, Sunil Wax Museum. So this is the mall of Sunil Wax Museum, and then there's Horror House, Kailaso Restaurant, Sunil's Wax Museum. And we got a nice fountain over here, and it's written I love Lonavala. I'm surely loving this place, no doubt about it. So I came walking all the way from here. I just crossed a bridge and there was railway line below. भाई ये लोनावाला मेन मार्केट कहाँ है? लोनावाला मार्केट नहीं पता है? अच्छा. So this guy doesn't know where Lonavala market is. maybe he knows he doesn't understand. Let me see. Let me ask someone else. So guys, the main Lonavala market is over there. He said walking 10 minutes. So what I'll do is, tomorrow anyways I have to go from here and visit all the points and Tiger Point and all the hilly areas. So tomorrow I'll show you around that market when we go. And right now let's go back to that Naka market and hotel area where I'm staying. That's also Lonavala's market. That's actually Lonavala town, you can say. So we'll have a look there as well and take a look around. And this wax museum also will be covering tomorrow. So guys, I'm inside this Sunil's Wax Museum mall, and I'm gonna have a look whether it's open or closed. Meanwhile, you can have a look at the mall. It's almost 9 o'clock at night, so most of the places will anyways be closed. But this looks like a good place to come and check out tomorrow morning as well. What is this? Mirror maze. All right. Astrologer. Good place especially for kids and adults as well. What do we have here? VR walk, VR movie. This is House of Horror. Okay, so this is Sunil's Wax Museum. You can see the rates. Wax Museum is 200, Horror House is 100, VR Moto 150, VR Movie 150. Let me just check whether it's open. भाई इधर को है क्या? इधर को है? आपके यहीं से?
9:30 तक चालू है।
अभी पॉइंट नहीं है ना? सुबह आ जाओ ना। सुबह कितने बजे खुलेगा? सुबह 9 बजे होता है ना? अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है। मैं ऐसे यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाता हूँ, तो अंदर ले सकते हैं ना वीडियो? मैं अपना यूट्यूब का वीडियो बनाता हूँ, व्लॉगर हूँ मैं। हाँ हाँ, तो कल ही आता फिर 9 बजे खुल जाएगा ना? ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू. So guys, we'll come here tomorrow morning. It's about to close. You can see it's almost 9:50, 9:30 it will close. So tomorrow morning we'll come. So guys, I had a good discussion with the gentleman who was sitting there, and he suggested me the best action to follow tomorrow morning. So he said tomorrow morning, early in the morning around 5:36, straight away go to Tiger Point and Lions Point, so that it's in top of the hills and I can see sunrise as well. And then after that I'll visit other places like Lonavala Lake and Bushid Dam, and then I'll come here. This opens around 9 o'clock, so then I'm going to come and I'm going to visit this Mother's Wax Museum as well. And then there's one more place called Lohagarh Fort, and if there's enough time left, I'll go and visit it as well. It's a little far away, so if I get time I'll check it out, otherwise I'll save it for next time. But other places I'll definitely visit. So it's time to go back to the market area where I'm staying, and then probably eat something out there. Or why to leave for there? I just came out of this museum, and I think I'll have a shawarma out here at Royal Shawarma, and you can see different shawarmas. I think I'll have one. By chicken cheese shawarma है क्या? ओहो, तो कौन सा है फिर? चिकन का क्या है? चिकन shawarma है? उसमें क्या होता है मतलब? ओके, एक चिकन shawarma दे दीजिए. So I'll have one chicken shawarma. Cheese is over, as he said. So let me just try it out. Royal Shawarma. This is just outside Sunil's Wax Museum near McDonald's. So this will be more or less my dinner kind, and later on, as I'm planning to have a couple of beers in my room, I'll pick up some starters with it and enjoy my meal. But let me just have this right now. So my chicken shawarma is here, and it's time to enjoy my snack. Very delicious, yummy, and the best part, chicken is fresh and tasty. So, thumbs up to this. So guys, it's time to walk back. Towards Lonavala Naka area, the place where I'm staying. The shawarma is actually quite yummy. And it's dark right now, you won't see, but there's a train passing below. It's a railway bridge. So as it was written on the shop, chicken is quite fresh in this. And the guy didn't have cheese. So instead of 80, he charged me only, instead of 100, he charged me only 80 rupees for this. So guys, I'm back in the market, and it's time to go back. And so yeah, what I've come to know that there's a separate Lonavala market, and all this while I was referring this to the market, but this is called Lonavala Naka area. So that's this also another Lonavala market, you can say. I'll try to find out the exact name for this. I'll just ask him. So this is the place where I had tea that time. Hi. सुनिए ना, हमको ये पूछना है, लोनावाला मार्केट अलग है।
हाँ सर, मार्केट अलग।
तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? मैं इतना देर से मेन चौक, इसको लोनावाला मार्केट नहीं बोलते हैं, ये लोनावाला टाउन हो गया। ठीक है, थैंक यू भाई। So this is called Lonavala main chowk or main Naka, you can say, and the main market will go tomorrow. But this is a pretty big market as well. All right. So finally, our day is coming to an end. So what I'll do is I'll pick up a couple of cans of beers for myself and go and enjoy in my room, then call it a night. So I picked up a few beer cans for myself, and it's time to go towards my room, maybe carry some starters, chicken tikkas, kebabs, whatever I find to accompany this, and let me go and chill in my room and call it a night. I'll see you in a bit. But before we go to the room, let's explore this Lonavala Naka or Chowk area a bit more, because I see quite a few interesting places around. So we have more chikki shops. What do we have? Lola, looks like some bar. There's some music coming in from inside. Salt and Pepper, Diamond Restaurant Bar. I would have visited one of these places had I come with someone, but since I've come alone, the beers and my room, they are my best bet for tonight. Okay, some nice risotto out there, piccadilly, fast food veggies. So I'm gonna turn back and go towards my hotel. Let me just cross the road and show you probably I'll visit this place next time. Looks like a nice place to chill and drink. Lola Cafe and Bar. Some more hotels, restaurants. Okay, time to go back. Avion Holiday Resort. Some political poster. One more hotel. So you got lots of hotels in this area, as you call the Lonavala Chowk. Another wine shop, petrol pump, and we're walking back towards my hotel, and we'll find something to eat as starters on the way. So I've been told this lane has a lot of street foods to eat. Maybe try something out. Maybe take some chili chicken. Let's see. चिली चिकन ड्राई होगा ऐसे करके, और हाफ प्लेट नहीं इसमें? कितना पीस है फुल में? So guys, let me just take some food from myself and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, I'm done with taking my food, the starters for my after party. So from there, that is Hotel MH14, I've taken chicken lollipop tandoori, and from Bamboo House Chinese I've taken one chili chicken dry and one Szechuan rice. So that chicken lollipop costed me 180 rupees, chili chicken dry costed me 160, and Szechuan rice costed me 140. So here 300, there 180, in total 480. I'm sorted for tonight. I've taken rice, even though I'm a bit full, but I've taken rice just in case, because you know, after drinking, if you feel like eating something, you have something for the night. Then I drink only beer, but that makes you a bit hungry. So time to enjoy my party. See you in the hotel room. So guys, I'm just walking back to my hotel room, and there are a lot of places to eat. We have fish, we have Maharashtrian food, lot of stuff, so you can buy anything you want. So guys, I'm taking half plate chicken pakora also. Maharashtra Khana World. Hotel Maharashtra Khana World, and you can get a lot of stuff there. So it's going to be really heavy for tonight, but fine. The weather is good. I feel like giving a treat to myself. I don't know how I'm going to finish all this, but yeah, let me try. So I'm back in my room, guys, all set to party hard. I've got my things to eat in this, some ice cubes, my cans of beers, and I'll start my party. No vlogging for that, because that's my personal time. And then I'll go to sleep and see you tomorrow morning when we head out and explore Lonavala. One important thing, guys, since this video is getting a bit long, so I'll make it this probably in 2 parts. So till this will be probably part 1, and after a couple of days you'll get part 2 as well, and I'll put down the link in the description. So make sure to watch both the parts, because the second part is actually going to be watching main Lonavala during when sunlight is there. Till now we just actually made the journey from Pune to Lonavala, and then roaming out in evening, eating and all. But visiting the places in Lonavala is going to come after this. Maybe in this vlog only, maybe in part 2, that I'll see later according to the length and when I sit down to edit. So guys, cheers in advance and good night.